Alright, welcome to the second half of my Topps Pro debut box break. Uh, I've already pulled two of my big mojo hits. A Will Smith sticker autograph numbered to 50, and a Futures Game swatch not numbered to 99, even though it says so on the box. It's numbered to 139. So let's kill the rest of this box and get it over with. A blue card of Corey Kemp, number 259. Here's an interesting card, an interesting jersey. Eric Creighton of the Western Michigan Whitecaps, a 20th round draft pick in 2007. Reading. There's a Yonder Alonso, first round pick from a couple of years ago. One of the few first round picks I've seen so far. There's Kelly Dugan, second round pick of the Phils. Nothing. Brett Jackson, a first round pick of the Cubs. Joseph, a blue card of Brett Wallach, number to 259. The son of Tim Wallach, the Montreal Expos. And that's about it. A Hall of Fame star of Jim Palmer of the Rochester Red Wings. What are the odds on those? 1 in 12. So, okay, I pulled my two. Okay, I got a gold card of Evan Sharpley, numbered to 50. And I guess it's kind of appropriate that this is numbered to 50 because this guy was a 50th round draft pick of the Mariners last year. Yeah, a 50th round pick. That's like the last round in the draft. God. What were they thinking with this, man? Odds of finding a gold are 1 in 19. That's a 1 per box hit. Here's Zach von Rosenberg, who sounds like a character in the Jerky Boys. Hello, this is Zach von Rosenberg. I had a Justin Smoke, player I've actually heard of, who I think is now up with the big club. Here's Tony Sanchez, first round pick of the Pirates. He was one of the top 5 picks, I think. A blue card of Eric Davis of the Eugene Emeralds, numbered to 259. Here's Michael Taylor. Not much. Okay, I got my third Big Mojo hit, a sticker autograph of Jeremy Farrell of the West Virginia Power. And unlike the other one that I pulled, this is not serial numbered. Though to be honest with you, I really can't tell the difference between the two. Other than this one has a number on the back and this one doesn't. It's supposed to be like a gold parallel or something. I don't know. I don't care right now. Two more packs of this I'm mercifully done. Here's the aforementioned Kelly Dugan on a blue card. Open. Suplet. And finally, and mercifully, the last pack. I'll actually show you what I get in this pack. I got Will Myers of the Burlington Royals, a third-round pick last year. Joe Kelly of the Batavia Muck Dogs. I think that used to be a Phillies affiliate. Now it's the Cardinals. Third-rounder. Yorman Rodriguez of the Gulf Coast Reds. Signed as a free agent from Venezuela. Shelby Miller of the Quad City River Bandits. First rounder of the Cards. A Double-A All-Star of Jorge Vasquez. Jose Alvarez of the Single-A Lowell Spinners. Jeff Malm, fifth-round pick of the Rays. And Derek Gibson of the Lowell Spinners. So mercifully, this box is over. Oh God, not really impressed. Basically, all this is just Bowman without regular, actual major leaguers, and a $5 pack price point. Which, I don't know. Maybe if it were a little, I don't know, maybe $2 or $3 a pack, this might work. Because the card quality is exactly the same as regular Topps, and that's $2 a pack. What else? And I'm just shocked with, like, granted, I don't follow minor league baseball. Some of these guys you probably heard of, I haven't. But the lack of any notable names in here, any noticeable first rounders or second rounders, a lot of filler, I guess. If you're only going to make a 220 card set, you should have at least the best 220 minor league players. That's just me. Anyway, I can't give this. I give this a thumbs down. Not a good product from Topps. Certainly not at $5 a pack. And I'm out.